Let me say something nobody at school ever told you. Your salary will never make you rich. Not because you don't earn enough, not because you need a promotion, but because a salary, by design, is built to keep you exactly where you are. Comfortable enough not to question it, not rich enough to ever be free. The wealthy know 4 rules that change everything. And today, we're breaking all 4 of them down. Rule number 1, stop selling your time. Here's the brutal truth. When you work a job, you are selling the one thing you can never get back, your time. And here's the problem with that. Time is limited. You only have 24 hours. Your boss knows that. Your employer built an entire business model around that. Rich people don't sell their time. They build systems that make money while they sleep. Rental income, dividends, businesses, royalties. Assets that work for them around the clock. The moment you stop trading hours for dollars and start building assets, everything changes. Rule number 1, stop selling your time. Start buying assets. Rule number 2, your house is not an asset. This one will make a lot of people uncomfortable. Robert Kiyosaki said it decades ago, and people are still arguing about it. Your house is not an asset. It's a liability. Why? Because every single month, it takes money out of your pocket. Mortgage, insurance, maintenance, property tax. It costs you money. It doesn't make you money. A real asset puts cash into your pocket every month. A rental property that generates income, that's an asset. A stock portfolio, paying dividends, that's an asset. Your home that you live in, that's an expense with a nice view. The wealthy don't just own homes, they own things that pay them. Rule number 2, know the difference between an asset and a liability. Your salary buys liabilities. The wealthy buy assets. Rule number 3, taxes are optional if you know the rules. Here's something your accountant might not tell you. Employees are the most taxed people on the planet. You earn money, the government takes their cut before you even see it, every single month. Business owners and investors play by completely different rules. They earn, they invest, they spend, and they pay taxes on what's left. In many cases, legally, it's almost nothing. The rich don't avoid taxes illegally. They simply understand the tax code better than everyone else. They use corporations, they use depreciation, they use investment structures, all completely legal tools that employees never even hear about. The salary system was built for employees. The tax system was built for the wealthy. Rule number 3, stop thinking like an employee. Start thinking like a business owner. Rule number 4, financial education is your highest paying investment. School taught you history, geography, and algebra. Did it ever teach you how compound interest works? How to read a balance sheet? How to build a passive income stream? No, because an educated workforce that understands money is harder to keep working for someone else. The most valuable investment you will ever make is in your own financial education. Books, courses, mentors, the knowledge that teaches you how money actually works. Not how to earn it and spend it, but how to make it multiply. Warren Buffett reads 500 pages a day. Kiyosaki credits a single mentor for changing his entire financial life. The pattern is always the same. The wealthy never stop learning about money. Your salary pays your bills. Your financial education builds your future. Rule number 4, invest in your financial education before anything else. 4 rules. 4 shifts in thinking. Stop selling your time. Know what a real asset is. Understand how the tax game is played. And never stop learning. Your salary was never meant to make you rich. With the right mindset, that changes everything. If this made you think differently about money, subscribe, because we're just getting started.